Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This time we're demonstrating an aftermarket unit. The brand name is Mecca. It is an AM-FM-8 track and was just sent in for a simple repair job. So we're here to make sure everything works before we send her back. So I've got it set to medium wave at the moment, which is AM. Make sure we still have the
forges your signature on the online
AM.
Registration for your home. Removes
Okay, let's go to FM. Okay, now customer already knows the radio is good, so we'll just go straight to the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here. Okay, switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, we're in between songs here. Okay, we're at the end of a song there, so we'll just wait for it to start the next song, I guess. No music between tracks.
I don't believe a word they're saying to me.
Alrighty. Pull the radio out, and the radio comes back, and we have the dial light was not working when it came in, so it's working now. I replaced the dial light, so that's all cool, and that was a pretty quick test. There's just not much to test on a non-conversion. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. My phone number and website are in the description below, and of course I do ask all customers to visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Alfred, for your business all the way from Black Hawk, South Dakota, and we'll see you guys next time.